Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. I'll never ask you to buy anything. I'll never sell you anything. If you're looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Let's get into today's video. So in this video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about financial management as a trader. I have been there personally. It's something that I have done. I struggled with it at first, but I think I am on the journey to mastering it. What I've found or what I've seen with many traders is they do not have a concept of preserving their money or financial management. Financial management. If you are a trader who is coming from, I think, a background that I came from, a background of poverty, we kind of have even your approach to managing money is that kind of poverty mentality. Why do I say so? Because we are never taught to invest money. We are never taught to save money. We are never taught of ways of making the money work for you. I don't want to say this, but white people are fortunate because most of the time they have people in their families, in around them, who can actually show them ways to actually invest their monies and actually make their money work for them. That's when you start building wealth. Most of the time, we are trading and we are making lots and lots of money. But you find that the day that you stop trading, most people actually end up back at square one. They end up back where they started. Fortunate if you thought about buying a house, then good for you. If you thought about buying a car or cars, or you blew your money at parties with friends and things like that, well, that's kind of sad for you, because let's face it, nobody lives forever, and tomorrow is never guaranteed. For example, as a trader, you might think nothing is going to touch you, but there are things like sickness. You might actually end up in hospital for a whole month. God forbid you end up in hospital for 6 months or a year. It means you are not trading during that time. How are you going to make your money? How are you going to be making your income and maintaining the same lifestyle your family has been enjoying whilst you were trading? So it's that thing that I thought, let me just come and maybe we can have a talk about it. When you get your money, when you get your withdrawals, do you have a plan? Most traders, they have a plan when it comes to trading the markets and making the money, but they don't have a plan about how to keep the money and how to grow the money, how to make the money work for them. Because, God forbid, you might seriously get injured whilst you're driving your fancy car, whilst you are at home. You might actually get infected by some virus or by some germ, and basically you end up in hospital and you don't have an opportunity to continue trading. What's going to happen? So you need to think about all this money that you are making in trading. How do you turn it around to actually work for you? How do you secure your family's financial future? How how do you do that? because then that's the beginning of wealth. That's where wealth begins. It doesn't making millions in trading each and every day is not wealth, because you simply have replaced your day-to-day job with trading. Instead of your boss, of course you are now your own boss, but you still have to trade the markets in order to make money. So you are essentially still a worker, maybe a different kind of worker, because you determine your own hours and you determine how much you get paid, but you are still a worker until the day you actually turn around and let all the millions that you are making or the thousands that you are making start to work for you. There are many investment vehicles that are offered out there. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, so don't take everything that I'm going to say here um, as like the holy gospel. No, it's just me trying to have this discussion with you. How are you ensuring that the money that you are making works for you, or even remains working for you even when you are no longer here? It's December, it's the end of the year. It's some of these things that you need to think about now that we're going to be entering a new year. Do you have a financial plan? Yes, you are killing it in the markets. You're making lots of cash. Sorry about that. Um, yes, you probably bought an apartment or you bought a house. That is a good thing. That is a good thing because now your family has somewhere to stay. But if you do not trade for 6 months, is your family going to be still able to pay rent, bills, water, electricity, and food, even at that house? So, this is where you need to start thinking out of the box. How do I ensure that the day I am not able to come to the charts, I can still make money? My family can still make money. So again, I apologize for I don't know where this cough just came from, but anyway, maybe it's a sign, eh? Maybe it's a sign. Comment in the comments section below if you think it's a sign to think about financial management. So you need to think about financial management. You need to think about wealth creation. You have made your money. How do you keep your money? How do you preserve your money? How do you make that money work? Because let's face it, just taking your money and putting it in a bank account is not investing. You are not investing if you just let your money sit in the bank account because it's getting chowed by inflation. What you want to do, for example, if you are not a very hands-on person, is to go out there and put that money in property. Property, they say, is one of the best investment vehicles. What you can do is you go out there and you buy another apartment, another flat, another house, and you actually get people into that flat, apartment, or house. Those people are paying you rent. It then what becomes income, a second source of income. They say that most of the richest people on earth have around seven sources of income. So you cannot just rely on trading. You cannot just have trading as your sole source of income. Of course, you are killing it in the markets. You are making lots and lots and lots of money. But let's face it, we do not always make money each and every day in trading. There are ups and downs. Sometimes you make funny mistakes, silly mistakes, and your account gets blown. So if all your money is just invested in trading, you basically are too exposed. So you take that money, when you make it, you buy properties, you put people in those rental properties, make sure that it's people that do pay rent, If it happens that you are in an accident, it happens that you fall ill, at least you know your family, your wife, your kids can still get rental income from those apartments, and they can still pay rent, food, school fees, everything, all their bills where they are staying, and you don't need to stress about going onto the charts each and every day. It's a conversation that I certainly thought let's have some of these conversations now that the year is ending and 22 is coming up. Like I said, when I started, is one of the mistakes that I think I made. I blew my money on silly things, but I've since learned from there. I've bought property and I'm investing. I'm constantly looking for ways to invest my money where, because I love the markets, constantly looking for ways where I can put my money. I don't have to be there 24 hours a day, but my money will be there working for me and I can concentrate on the markets. So I just want to challenge you to find ways where you can make the money that you are generating in trading to actually work for you. Please like this video, leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me how you are diversifying your trading, how you are making your money work for you. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this subject. Subscribe. Until next time, bye.